I love rompers. Like, look how cute, but there's no freaking way I can go to the bathroom in this, so they're getting cut. Like, I'm literally just going to like cut it. Yeah. Wish me luck. Okay, so I cut it, but you see how it hangs down a little bit? I'm just gonna cut it just like this across on both sides and the back. Okay, so here's the front. She's fine. I can also have my tailor fix it, but clearly that needs a trim. Here's the finished product. I'm gonna have to clean that up a little bit, but I don't care. I'm wearing this tonight. I can take it to the tailor in a few weeks. I don't care. So, yeah. Day night. See. So much more comfortable now, and I can go to the bathroom. And